Okay, good day. My name is Engineer Tolentino. I'm going to show you some shortcuts in solving engineering economy problems. Okay, and this is with promotion to our online review. Okay, a commercial bank offers a long-term savings certificate at 8.5% per year, compounded continuously. If a 12-year certificate costs 50,000, what will be its value at its maturity? Now remember, F is just equal to P e to the IT, okay, for a compound interest. So just compute okay, 0.085 store na natin siya sa isang variable, let's say M, that's the interest, and then we just compute what? 50,000 times alpha E, okay, alpha E raised to the M times what? Times how many years? That is 12. Okay. So the answer is 100 what? 38,000. This is the closest. Alright. 210,000 was invested on the project that yields annual benefit of 80,000 for 8 years with no salvage value. Calculate the benefit cost ratio if the cost of money is 6%. Now we can use just this formula. P is just equal to the summation of A times 1 plus I raised to the negative x from 1 to n. So just compute summation of 1 point. Our interest is 0.06 raised to the negative x from 1 to the number of years is 8. Okay, and then let's just store that to, let's say, B na lang, B. Then the benefit cost ratio is just B, the present worth of all what? Of all money, okay, 80,000 divided by the amount invested, which is 210,000. Okay, so the answer is 2.366. So this is the closest, 2.366. Okay, a man made uh, a time deposit of 500,000 with BDO that pays 9% per year compounded annually. Compute the maximum withdrawals at the end of each of the 12 years. Same rin to, just compute the present worth factor, that is 1 point, the interest is 0.09 to the negative x from what? From 1 to 12. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay, so let's just store that to m, and then we just divide 500,000, okay, divided by m. So this gives you what? This gives you the answer. The answer is 69,000. What's the closest? 69,825. The closest is 69,000. What? Letter A. Now, yung mga factors na to, ito, pwede mong malaman to just 1 divided by m lang. So, that is 0.139. Ito yung closest. So, ito yung gagamitin mo. Yung 0.1397. So, 500, 1, 2, 3 divided by 0.1397. This gives, sorry, 500, 1, 2, 3 times 0.1397 gives you that 69,850. Alright, GERTC Corporation invested at 4 million on an equipment that will save the company 1.8 million annually for 9 years. If the minimum attractive rate of return is 12%, what is the present worth index of the investment? just summation of, again, 1.12 raised to the negative x from, that is from 1 to 9. 1 to 9 to 9, okay. Then let's store that to, let's say, m na lang. So yung annual nakita is 1.8. Okay, so that is 1.8 m divided by that what? That initial investment of 4. So the answer is 2.398. Now this is the closest there. Okay, the repair cost of a copier machine is estimated to be 1.2 in the first year, increasing by 300 per year in the subsequent years. Determine the amount that the office will need to deposit into a bank account, paying 4% interest to provide for the repair of the cost. This is a gradient. Okay, punta ka sa mode 3.2. Okay, the first payment is what? The first payment is 1.2, and the second payment is what? The second payment is 1,500. Okay, just model the line. Now shift 151. So A is 900. Store that to A, and shift 152. Of course, this is 300. Store that to B. And then, okay, mode 1 lang, just got summation of, okay, A plus what, that is alpha A plus alpha B alpha X, that's the model of the line, divided by, of course, this is present worth, so 1.04 raised to the X. Okay, and the number of years is just from 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, and the answer is what? 7,900. This is closest there.